What's up, beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nddy, aka the Dynamite Natural. I make natural hair and girl talk videos. So if you love this sort of content, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your post notifications to all so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you my skincare routine on how I prevent eczema. Eczema is one of my skincare issues, and I found this regimen or this routine to curb its appearances. So stay tuned. I hope you find this video helpful. Okay, first off, I'm going to clean my face with this face and eye makeup removal tissues. They are cleansing wipes. They contain low and pure lanolin. They are alcohol free and they can cleanse your face and moisturize your skin without any discomfort. Eczema for me usually shows up during the cold months of the year, and whenever it shows up, it's usually very stubborn and takes a very long time and a lot of effort before it goes away. So with this routine, like I already said, it prevents it from showing up and it curbs its appearances. I do this routine once every 3 weeks. This is a routine that works for me, and you can always go ahead and adjust this routine to fit your skincare needs. So next up, I'm going to be using the Tetmosol citronella medicated soap. It protects and heals your skin without drying out your skin. So I'm just going to use this and wash my face. Before that, as you can see, since I'm doing this on camera, I had to go ahead and wet my face before coming on back on camera to wash my face with the soap. After all of this, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse my face off camera and come back, and I will be going ahead to use my Nixoderm cream. This cream is for skin problems. It is used for eczema, pimples, blemishes, rashes, athlete's foot, ringworm, scaling skin due to external irritation, you name it. And as you can see, it's not my first use. I've been using it consistently. It rubs in and leaves no traces, except you used a lot of it. Make sure you're not using so much if you're going to be stepping out, but I'm not. So, and also remember that it tingles because it has peppermint. So if you're going to be using this cream, just have that in mind. I advise you to do this routine earlier in the evening, around 7 p.m. or so, when you're sure you're not going to be stepping out, even though it absolutely rubs in and leaves no traces. When I had crazy eczema, I wore it every morning to school and every night, but I do it earlier in the evening to give it time to penetrate into the skin and do its work before I go to bed, because definitely the pillow will absolutely clean off some of the products. So I try to do this earlier in the evening, around 7 p.m. So by the time I go to bed around 10 or 11 p.m. at night, it would have had time to penetrate into my skin and do its work before I go to bed, and the pillow or my pillow cleans it off. So after all of this, I am going to go to bed and see you the next morning. I'll see you the next day. So it is the next day, and as you can see, the pillow has cleaned off some of the products, which is very important to take the tip or take the step that I had mentioned earlier, to do it earlier in the evening. So I'm going to go off camera and wet my face again and wash my face with this Ever Ivory Milk and Honey soap. I love this soap because it's enriched with milk and honey, which nourishes your skin with vitamin A and D. It also contains glycerin, which is moisturizing to the skin as well. It's made from 100% pure vegetable oil, no animal fat. So it's completely safe and good to use for your skin. So I'm just going to go right in, rub it in, and wash off the oil or remaining or remnant product from my skin. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse my face off camera and come back for the last part of this routine. So after rinsing my face off camera, I'm going to come back and wipe my face, as you can see, with my towel. After that, I'll go ahead and moisturize my skin. As you can see, my face looks all smooth and clean, and of course eczema free. So yeah, I'm going to be going in with this Fruit of the Earth Skin Cooling Aloe Vera skincare lotion. It is very moisturizing. I'm using aloe because it's very good in providing moisture for skin and hair, and keeping your skin moisturized helps to curb eczema and any other skincare issues. I like this particular aloe vera skincare lotion because it has this instant dry skin relief. If you have dry skin, this is very good because it retains your inner moisture, it smooths away surface dryness, and it protects against, weather elements. So it's very good for dry skin and for moisturizing your skin. So if you have dry skin or you're looking for a lotion that will help with dry skin especially, this particular product is just thebomb.com. It also keeps your skin smooth, soft, and healthy looking. And of course, I'll go ahead and smooth it into my skin until my skin has absorbed, all of the products. And of course, whatever remains on my hands, I will just rub it into my fingers and my hands and my skin because it feels good. So that brings us to the end of this video. That is my skincare routine to prevent eczema. Like I said at the beginning of this video, and within this video, eczema is one of my skincare issues. So this is a routine that when I do this consistently, it prevents it from popping up, it curbs its occurrence. Yes, because it can be very annoying when it pops up. And so that's it. I hope that this video was helpful to you. I hope that you found value in this video, and if you're going to try out this routine, let me know in the comment section if you have a similar routine or a routine you use for your skin to prevent eczema. Let me know in the description box down, not the description box, the comment section down below. And yeah, you can also share this video with someone that it was helpful, that you know it's going to find it helpful. Thank you so much, I really appreciate. And please also like and subscribe, turn on your post notifications to all so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a new video. This is just one way to support me and my channel. I really appreciate that. And yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.